In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Lock Screen. Then select Screen Lock Type and pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one, like Pattern. Now you need to enter it and choose Continue over here. Then repeat it and tap on Confirm. Over here you can turn on or off notifications on your lock screen by clicking on the switcher over here, or adjust them by tapping on one of those options. When you're done, click Done. If you want to back up your pattern, choose Agree and log in into your Samsung account. But I don't want to, so I will go with Home button. And now when I turn off my screen, turn it back on. Icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!